Let's go skydiving together. All right.
With sin, crime, strife and danger, and everybody seem a little bit stranger. I can't seem to find my rights of way. I say it's getting harder every day, in every way. It's hard to explain how I feel, but I know the feeling is real. And whenever my ship sets sail, I'll be on the shore, dancing with the ocean like I never did before, and watch it as it come and go, cause I know that someone knows this is the life for me.